Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video I'm going to be sharing to you guys how to create a basic temperature converter using Python. So please stick around and let's get started. So over here I have written all the functions we're going to need, and I did this video like some minutes ago some minutes ago, and it took over like 14 minutes, and 14 minutes is just too much for this kind of basic program. So I just decided to write down all the functions, and what I'm just going to be simply doing is just writing some few lines of code, like about 10 lines of code, and I'm going to be explaining what everything does over here. So here we're going to learn how to we're going to give this program the abilities to convert from Celsius to Kelvin, and also from Celsius to Fahrenheit, from Kelvin to Celsius, Kelvin to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius, and as well from Fahrenheit to Kelvin. So those are the capabilities we're gonna give our program. So this first function is from Celsius to Kelvin. So this is the formula, and when we're gonna pass a parameter C, and it's just gonna go ahead and calculate the formula, and when we call the function is going to print out the formula, and as well from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and for all the rest. So you can pause this and write the code, your computer or your whatever, and you can copy all the code like right now or whenever you want to use it. So yeah, so I've written all these too. Like this is just a print statement, which is just gonna allow us, it's just gonna inform the user that's number 1 is for Celsius to Kelvin, number 2 is from Celsius to Fahrenheit, number 3 is from Kelvin to Celsius, and so on. So that is what this does, and these are the functions that we're gonna be using. So now let's get right into the code. So first of all, I want to create a variable choice. So I want choice to be equal to input. So I want to ask the user to choose which one that he or she wants to do, like whether he wants to choose from Celsius to Kelvin or from Fahrenheit to Kelvin, or anyone. So we're gonna tell the user that please input your choice. So this is gonna be please input your choice, and we're gonna create another variable value, and value is gonna be equal to float input. And here we want to tell the user please enter the value. So we want to tell the user to please enter the value. So, and when the user enter the value, is going to go ahead and convert it to a float value, like it's going to be like decimals. So now here I'm going to create some if conditions, and the first one is going to be if choice is double equal to 1. I want to call this C to K, which is Celsius to Kelvin over here, and I'm going to pass value as a parameter, and I'm going to pass value as the parameter, and I'm also going to do the same thing for here. This is going to be for choice 2, and choice 2 is from Celsius to Fahrenheit, so the function is C2F. And I'm gonna go as well and do for all the rest over here. So I've done everything for all of them. So the first one is from Celsius to Kelvin, as you can see over here. If the user enters 2, it is from Celsius to Fahrenheit. The user enters 3, it is K to C, which is from Kelvin to Celsius. If the user enters 4, it is K to F, which is Kelvin to Fahrenheit. If the user enters 5, it is from Fahrenheit to Celsius, as you can see. And if the user enters 6, it is from Fahrenheit to Kelvin. So that is what it's gonna do. So now let us give it a quick run. We're gonna see what's it's gonna show us. So here it's running, and it is run successfully. So here you can see 1 to Celsius and the rest. So I'm gonna choose, let's say, for number 1, which is from Celsius Kelvin, and my value is gonna be 300. And that should give me 573, you can see. So I'm gonna run that again, and I'm gonna do for number 5, which is I'm gonna put 200. That should give me about 93 point something, 93.333, as you can see over here. So you can as well try it out for all the rest. And okay, I'm supposed to run that again. So I'm gonna choose number 6 now. I'm gonna give it a value of 1000, and as you can see, it gave me 810.77777. So that is how you can build a basic temperature converter. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it to friends and family or anybody that finds this video useful. And please, if you have a feedback or any suggestion, please leave it down in the comment section. I actually got this a suggestion from one of my subscribers. He asked me I should help him and create a video of this. So please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.